Hey, everybody. It's McKinley over at makingmathmagicians.com. If you have not checked out realworldmath.org, you are missing out. Let me tell you, this website has changed my life as a math teacher. This website takes math to a whole new level. If you want to make math meaningful for your students and really give it a real world application, this is the place to go. Now, I've said that about some other websites, and I mean it, but this website just does it in a different way. Now, I don't know a whole lot about Google Earth. I still don't know a whole lot about Google Earth, but I have spent some time thanks to my friend here at Real World Math. And I do feel a little bit more comfortable. He's got some great tutorials. And so I am getting more confident. I will say that sometimes getting Google Earth on your school computers can be a little bit challenging. So you need to buddy up with your IT friends. However, once you do, and you can get it loaded on your computers at school, and really, this is going to be something that you probably don't need it loaded on every device. But once you do, man, I'm telling you, it's going to change the way you teach math in your classroom. So let me show you all about this website. So it is realworldmath.org, and it is a collection of free math activities. It says it right there. And the guy who made this website is really cool. I've emailed back and forth with them a couple of times. There are some password protected resources, and that was how I ended up emailing with him. And so you can email him too. Right here, there's a little contact button, and I promised him that I would not give out the password. So you are going to need to email him if you want the password in order to get all of these resources here for teachers. So go ahead and do that. He will respond to you within 24 hours. He's super cool. But he ended up creating this website as part of his master's thesis. And so we kind of had a cool little conversation about that. But check this out. So there's these lesson downloads, and under concept lessons, if you click on that, there are lessons here about estimation, line graphs, scientific notation, tessellations, time zones. Now, these run the gamut of things that you could do with primary grades all the way up through high school. Okay. Some of them could be modified and very teacher directed. Some of them could be independent with upper elementary and independent at the high school level. So you definitely need to do some investigating and make yourself as a teacher very comfortable and do your research. Okay. Don't open this up on Monday morning at 8:15 expecting to have your kids doing it at 8:20. Okay, it's not going to be that kind of activity. Notice though that it says KMZ download. These are Google Earth files. So you have to have Google Earth in order to open them, but it is so worth it. So like I said, buddy up with your IT friends and get them to download Google Earth for you if you have restrictions on being able to download things on your school devices. Okay. Under measurement, you've got these awesome lessons here. I am from Hawaii, and so tsunami warning lesson would have rocked my kids' world. That would have been fantastic. If I was still living in Hawaii, that would absolutely be a lesson that I would do with my kids. And in fact, not being in Hawaii anymore, but having that background of being in Hawaii, that's a lesson that I totally would do with my kids now. It's a little bit higher level than the grade level that I work with now, but it might be something that I modify and do with my kids. Now, I want to show you that there are some videos here. that you can check out. These are not videos by the maker of this website, but they are linked. They're pretty awesome. I mean, if you just look at the screenshot or the hold shot for these, they're pretty amazing. Love that. But I do really want to point out the tutorials. I learned so much from these tutorials. I learned so much about Google Earth and how to navigate Google Earth and what to do there. But I also learned a whole lot about HTML and what I could do to actually make this website, Making Math Magicians, better. I learned from this website and these tutorials here. But the teacher's website here, the lessons, actually the lessons that go with the lesson downloads that you can get here. And these are the password protected web lesson pieces. And so these are the things that you need to email him in order to have access to. So you just send him a quick email, just tell him, hey, I'm a teacher and I really like your website, realworldmath.org. Can you please send me the password? I would love to be able to maximize your site. And he will totally do that. So guys, go check out realworldmath.org. It is so cool. And I guarantee you that you will not regret it. Have an awesome one and check it out.